What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, Annie and TikTok, police call it quits. You know what I mean? Yesterday, them kind of hit a little rough patch. You know what I mean? Where it's like TikTok police go out in at the night, that a Sunday night him go out, you know what I mean, I never did call and it so it look like it all start from there until it end up yes where them break up my people. So more know we only think if this is for good or you saw me I say them are gonna get back together because remember say the Hardy did it, you know, and TikTok police want the Hardy. And me, I wonder if Jagger I go come back in the picture, you know, because I go want somebody to drive her around. So there's a lot of people. Ivan even want to know what really going on or something. She dey on TikTok police live, she dey on Annie live, you see me, so we're gonna share all of that. We have Shibada, my people that don't know Shibada still. A bag of cussing and a bag of people that get cussed. So me not run out the intro too much or too long. Make we get in at my people. We have Rosalie, Akeem, we have Shay, you know what I mean? So, you are going. We just get in at you know, my people. One in the ear in the intro and I go see in the video. And maybe even add more things as we go on so make we get in at.
Never lie me I tell you. Mr. Woman, love them something here. You don't have to give woman them something upon special occasion. She no need to get this for birthday, Valentine's Day. Just come out of the blue and just buy her some flowers or rose.
Yeah.
Him say
Yeah.
I go prepare it. Up till today me can't see her post you get the rose or the flowers them all now.
Bombard.
That one be the cheap rose, cheap flowers. Me can't see you get it all now.
Me a listen. Me a
And I say,
listen.
why you not buy Annie the something? Oh, him soon do it, him soon do it. When I take time, the man take time I plan for tea for your care. I'm glad you have sense and I go up there.
People them not stop calling. Oh my God. Oh my God. One on the van. Me I go apologize.
Let's say them I go call
Give me a
him.
minute.
Go on, go
Yes.
on.
Me apologize.
Yeah, go on, go on. But tell her I say them I call the number so social media people steal. But if I me like she, me expose the whole line number them. About 6 alarm me having a film to her. If the man push that past my address, where you want? With my camera then they might as well let us go break it here. Cause anyway now ready to find. She reach Papi as a live done. Me know a Papi in there now what Annie live. Now watch Annie live or Annie live at town. Me give Annie till 1 week. She and TikTok police. Now come in a people relationship now. Cause me give Annie 1 week. Christiana. How her name sir? Christiana. Some Jamaican name Christiana. Manchester. Oh. I wish we got Manchester. We got Manchester. We got Manchester.
For me, you can't stop me, dirty boy. And watch how you come out of my life and watch how God are gonna lift me up. You is a crosses boy where you drain my energy. You see you? As soon as you come in my life, everything start go bad. Guys, I want to look on this. Blood cleat. Watch this chat. Them are people from Papine. Chat, them are people from Papine. Papine people, them here text me. Me cut out the number cause me can't leak for the people them. A Papine people, them here text me. Him go out last night with him fat girl. Him and him woman go out last night. Yeah. Oh no look, no please, me I beg you no look. Look on a blood clot demon. Look on a blood clot wicked, dirty, stinking boy. You? Everything I go come to you. So watch you now. You don't know say. What you know? You see the woman where him left? The woman where didn't help him build the house? The woman stopped give money. Me you say the woman didn't show a whole heap of money upon him. And the woman had Vani. Hold on, let me see me baby. Let me see she did it. Guys, don't tell Vani if you send me a request. It come like she in or something, you know. Hold on, chat. She go send me. Tell Vani if you link me. Say you know say me did one you. Me know you did want me. Me know you go laugh off of me now. Me know you did want me. And me know right now you must have laugh. So, oh Jesus Christ.
People go over there fast, you know?
Bombat!
God. I say other.
Me no wrong Jaden from laugh. Me Jaden have to laugh. I laugh this. So the woman did not help him build the house. The woman tap give money now. Auntie Elma, honestly, go on with Auntie Elma. No disrespect. Auntie Elma, me respect you. Auntie Elma, please me, I beg you. You see, one time you see say people that hurt me, you never go take off for me. You ready for take off for TikTok police. Any little thing where TikTok police say, Auntie Elma, you jump on it. And when you see say TikTok police, I drag me in. Auntie Elma somebody will help him and support him, and she support me too. I'm not gonna disrespect her. She's a wonderful person. You see me? But Auntie, you can't take off with somebody like that. Vani, come and me show you something, my baby. When I say truth, if you look on
Gift
truth.
team, yeah. Put gift guys, me the 28 in a B2. Carry me go top 10. Take. Who that? Oh, the bottom. Oh, sorry, me didn't read the screenshot. Kevin and him fat woman go out party last night. Start making play game and so if these people all know so much, alright, me want me to understand. These people were carrying news to you, Annie. Not one of the news of them can carry have proof. Them have to show me some type of proof, you know. Approve work things in the
Vani, Vani told the people them a text me for a long time and I want me and two of them do
Annie, listen, it no matter what they want text us, look up proof if you can show, because if one person cannot tell me so much thing about one man and me can't say nothing, first thing they want to take away care, you have to show me what source it coming from, like who you hear it from, make me see who really know about it. Yeah, the man got party
ban pan him and they a big old party 1 o'clock before him ever even say anything to you. You tell me
see him with somebody on.
You're not gonna look into that?
You see him with somebody on where got party?
Of course him have the party, him say him got boom down Sunday.
And Annie, boom, everybody know Annie. And nobody at the party not see him with the woman to take a picture to put on social media. Come on, man. Annie a star. Annie a star. There's no way TikTok police can go one party with woman. I mean, know any woman him go a party with him after bubble pan that. And nobody...
Yeah, tell you the truth. You see, all if you not go so...
Hey, my people, Ivan never tell a lie. You see me, I say Ivan never tell a lie. You have to show some type of proof. You can't just come to me and tell me say this or that, or send me a message. I may even know you at that and say this and that. I may just gullible so and believe you. No man, that are insecurity. You see me, I say, and woman like that mess up even them good relationship because of what people say. You can't believe what people say, Regina, and them not show you no proof nor nothing. Somebody where you don't even know. Let me know what to think with people, because that's a foolishness.
I don't want to deal with that nigga here. That nigga here is a sick motherfucker. This is a sick motherfucker. Remember me tell you. Hey girl, no make me block you, you know, enjoy the
sometimes
enjoy.
Woman dies double. Sometimes
woman block you. Let me tell you, enjoy. No goodness, honestly. If you see what him do, that alone show you the type of person who him is. At this moment, me and him supposed to fight together. You know, remember, so right now people are tear me down, people are stop me, people are do all different type of thing, you know, my baby. Vani.
But I can't see part where him play with Tonian, because it's true and Tonian cuss. Tonian are coming like any to me or to you or something like that. So you should your man should over there play with somebody where you and them follow with.
And that may I say, okay. And that may I say. Although the girl tear me down and tear down my pin, me never did not expect it from him none tall.
So, anyway, put the ring. Yeah, that's your way?
And I say, Vanny, me describe Resi. Sit here, right? Just some Resi. I done it done. Me not put on about this. I done it done.
That 1 week time you go, you want. Put
Me not go back, Vanny. Me don't know why you keep on and say me I go back to TikTok police.
Because
But
me see always happen your name Anna first. But you can't blame we no Annie because Anna first we see these things happen. Not now we like him go play with somebody that talk to but your name left.
Well, I think this is a closure. This is something where we can close up it.
Who that? This one?
No, Aki walk.
Aki walk come out a man and woman business. They will share yo. Aki walk they will share yo.
So she was having.
Yeah, they will share yo. Me say I go as far as TikTok boss police.
Yeah, one Aki walk.
Me see them
Never
left
two
about
guys, thank
2
you.
weeks already and still go back with them. Nah, look for
We now go back with the Vanny. There is no day back for me and this man. By the way, Vanny, mo want done and come off a life and go hold a drink. And me a block everything. Me just a block, I go through my phone, just a block. So, what you talk about? Vanny, me no block Jaden. Jaden no block from my phone because me know him a go bother me. And me know me a black blood clot TikTok police. That me I tell you. I gonna go through blacklist. Me a block everybody by the way tonight. Uno watch me. I wanna go get some blur not black. Black me a black all a uno. Hey baby, want me?
that sound like you go papa pin tonight, man.
Go pouch papi tonight. Go do what? You know you say them a plan for me up papi.
That no say you can't leave your car and take taxi.
Me now go up and no papi. Me no so fufu. Me not that fufu. Me not that fufu, my love.
There again, and you gonna let your car go up there and TikTok police run back and if you go there.
Don't. Queen, you don't know say me not go do that. Me I block everybody. Me just play 2 more games with Vanny and next me come down and block them. Him a wicked. Yeah, them a pretend like he love me, pretend them a evil. I never see a boy so evil, remember me tell you. And when him get black and the bleachings come off and me can see the evilest pint out in him forehead. Evil blood clot boy, make him go.
Jesus, let me go see him over there though.
So it happy laughing.
See him over
wicked man. No, Ice asleep. When Ice must asleep, no. Vanny, Ice asleep, though.
Yeah, African bed.
Yeah, Ice asleep. She put her in bedtime, you know. She have a time when he put him to bed. Guys, everybody drop a rose. Drop a rose in my chat, please. Don't block him way. I block out him blood clean. Remember me tell you. I went in the past social media cuss me and chat. And me now go get for answer him again. I think I like one time when we trace down the media. We not trace down no media again. Low no chattings. Make him take all of the chat tonight. Thank you, baby. Guys, we try. We try, babies. We try, guys. Everybody, we try. Thank you. We try, guys. Low blockings. You mad, Smarty?
In stress. In stress.
In stress, so make him go stress for a fatty leg.
I'm going to call a white line. That's the producer.
Somebody say you lose, I need to rush. Somebody say I cry you one ball. I cry you one ball. Hey, the people them over there, them comments, you know.
Guys, that the boy don't have no love for nobody. I feel like him sick in him head. Kind of have a woman where take care of him and fix up his house and that the woman that gone. Vanny, me can't take that filter there. Vanny, me can't.
It's true, Adi.
He filter me can't serious.
No.
Vanny, you see the house where I fix up?
You know, so any go up on yard and then take it care. I have to bring it back. I have to bring it back, you know. Me say. In that
the boy couldn't take away my car from me.
Annie, I tell you what you need. Guys, before me tell you what to do, them have Apple Store in Jamaica, like Apple, they have Apple Store down the door. Are online you have to go?
No, baby, I have Apple Store down here.
Alright. Go in at the Apple Store and tell them say you want car tracker for your car.
Yeah.
Have them, have some little something around so.
Yeah.
You don't really know how to use it. So when you buy it,
Yeah.
car, when you go drive your car, go down there. Apple tag it name or call ear tag, yeah.
When I drive, go to the Apple shop.
Yeah, go in the Apple store, and when you go in there, you buy it. Tell them say you want to set it up on your phone, but you don't know how to do it. And the more apply it, and the more and tell them say for hide it in a one. Then we know the more hide it in a one part in your car when nobody now go things like this side there.
Yeah.
Anyway, it connect to your phone. Let them connect to all two phones. So if
Come on, chat.
one of your phone, then you have it for your next phone.
Yeah.
Anyway, you call your car there, it show you the location to where your car is. Anybody take your car, then can't go nowhere to show you where they are. Once somebody take your car, just can't go get the police them.
Alright. You hear that, Aki?
Apple store in the Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Apple store, guys. Apple store in the year, so. And Apple store. No, so when on the Apple store.
Then if you have an Apple store at Jamaica.
No. Thank you, baby.
Apple store in Jamaica.
Thank you so much for this one. Yeah, me I said they must send
I tell you what, I lie them at them. I tell you what Apple store the Annie. You see at half a tree.
Yeah.
The bus where bus them going right here so cross road over the new plaza there.
Yeah.
One Apple store is supposed to the upstairs there, so one Apple store there, man.
Love you too, baby. Alright. Bonnie. We're gonna just Google it. I must say everything show you up on Google.
Yeah, it's actually Apple store in or Kingston or so I'm asking you something. Only Apple store itself, guys, or it's selling a different
Apple Kings. Maybe I say Apple King. Apple King.
Apple. Thank you, baby. Let me tell you where to them. Put it on your Amazon registry and make one of your gifters them buy it for you and ship it down there and you put it in your car.
Yeah. Yeah, for true. It's somewhere make it click sound in my car. What day online me end up I forget it what day you have to go.
Yeah, buy it on Amazon and
Alright, my people. So this more ask you now, seeing or you feel that now that TikTok police almost out of the picture, Jagger I go come back in the picture. Let me know what you think in the comment section, my people. That more I know.
put it in your car and set it up on your phone first.
Yeah. I go do that. Best Buy. No, me go Google it as what she said. Chat everybody, double tap chat. I don't care when wants to do that.
Them just them say the Apple store down there, but them have iPhone store. I could sell iPhone. Oh, man, understand.
You love you too, baby. Love you guys. And
Apple World at Kingston. Well, you have to go buy it and put the tracking.
You know, say honestly, I see you humbly a problem. And me and you supposed to be bestie. Guys, everybody jump on. So you got to the start say Annie now left for her fiance.
18 rows.
Guys, 18 rows.
That's why I'm telling you dash your ring, put it on your nightstand, can you go and drop it?
Come on, it does come like so there some thing I feel like a joking thing, bro. Come on, guys. Come on. I don't see how that boy your style, he must style me. I want to see your style, he must style me. I don't need no glass.
During argument and the first one, me see
I don't know argument this. I don't know argument this. This man is a user.
Alright, me I go see if me can put my faith in here then.
Well, just watch and see Vani. Please, me I beg you. Just remember to me give back a chance over everything what we go through, you know. And it's slap this and
the quick, guys. Quick now, man. Alright.
Chrissy, wagwan baby. Use a triple F for me now tomorrow. Big
guys, catch your speed now. What we are doing? Not even one rose.
Queen, thank you, baby. Thank you so much for that.
You never know.
I'm going to make him the panty. I want to be out to say I'm going to watch me and snip on every screamer card. Remember me tell you that. You just watch me on screamer card. I go right through. But I'm not joking with you. Remember me tell you that. Chat use a triple. Please, me I beg you know.
I tell him.
Use a triple, yeah. I talk about go back to who? Go back to... Hey, somebody come buy me something now. Zoe? Come here. Link up auntie for me. Me soon come off of the live. Look a bit go relax.
Say amateur add me wait to go add him.
Add who? Are you alone or go over the Devani?
No, me go ask him say which world him could have stayed in and thief for your car.
Yeah? Hmm? Link auntie and make them give some money. What? Make them give some money and link auntie. Pay auntie for the something.
Guys, wanna stop it, but all you expect him for when him younger. Yeah, I'm telling you something. You say once, you not like
Yeah,
female.
me go answer you now.
You always have things to say once, you not like female.
Me go answer you. Me know you must have
number. Age is just a number. Me say what if a young people mature more than
You
thousands.
not do that. Don't do that. No disrespect nobody over here, so baby. Me not black nobody tonight. Please don't disrespect
some
nobody.
young
Alright,
people,
be respectful.
especially
Please.
some of these
Be
Americans. Them are
Alright.
18, 17, 19, and they're so fucking mature, stinking rich. Business pan business and invest.
Can't add me.
And people wear adult drive walking in their shoes. Me not talk like money wise, but me talk like brain wise. You have some people who are younger than you and mature more than people who are adult.
Me go answer.
And while you have some adult go like them a pitney. Me not watch age, bro. Age is just a number.
Yeah, but
When me say me not watch age, don't get me wrong.
When me done with him, not even see.
Me not say me at 27, I go there to a boy who are 18.
Honey, all
19.
I will, baby. You tell me say that
let me know I'm a blood clot 20.
something you income
I have 28, we got 29, we got 30. Excuse. Oh,
humble, I
go
go
young.
Yes.
From this now have nothing to do with it.
Watch me, ayo.
But you can't compare America to Jamaica, and that's why I say the Jamaican them few have sense too. Oh,
Can't take the blame. And Vanny, I'm going to me soon come here. Me
no,
answer.
you're out there with him.
No, Vanny, no.
No. Come.
Please, just respect that, baby. Yeah. No me. Chat, no me. You don't know me turn already. No me. No me. I'm want to see. So when I say I love somebody and them hurt me and betray me them way, yeah. Remember me tell you, so when my love turn to hatred, is a piece of hate you go get out of me. Remember me tell you, I'm telling you, you deserve the world. Me tell you something. Me have to go race you now. Father God, them are something you can't ball. You have to laugh. You have to laugh. You know, say a part of me did feel like say it a come, like suck me in a me, suck me in a me. You see how what him come down and him give me the 20,000 for the car. And me I say, oh, him so nice. What do you mean I say, oh, him so nice, him I give me money for fix up my car, girl. And me I say one time him ain't give me no money. And me see him give me money for fix the car. When me I go, me see him give me must $18,000 when him a go him yard. You see me? And me I say,
Well, my people, me not gonna lie you. That show said that G a show progress, you know what I mean? Him a show say, you know what I mean, him want be your man, you know what I mean? Him want responsible for you, you know what I mean? Him want take care of you, him want, you understand, him want hold you down because, and every man a go give them woman money, you know, especially if the woman a make money, you understand? You see me? So, that shows something, people. Tell me in the comment section if you don't think say, that shows say the G ready if you step up to the plate, you know what I mean, or the plate, and you know what I mean, be that man where Annie want in our life. And tell me if you don't think say Annie just a search for your problem. Because I saw some woman and you know if no cussing and no argument in a relationship, you know, them boring and you know what I mean, them not like relationship because them love the cussing and argument because them love to make up, break up and make up. You have some woman stay so, you know, people. It might sound a way still, you know, but you have someone who stay so. So let me know what you think.
wow, wonder if him really mean this is true. Cause them man they no Lego money, you know. Them man they no Lego money, you know, girl. So me I say, girl, you must know what true me I tell because if a boy no give me no money, you know me I go tell you. You know me I go tell you. So when me see him give me the money, me I say, Bombat. I wonder if I really love him in love with me. And he keep on tell me, say, babe, me in love with you, you know. He keep on tell me, say, me in love with you and him left the big woman. Why you single? Me single too, me baby, me single too. Somebody say, lie. Me I say, wow, wonder if I change a pussy will change. I no lie, me I tell my baby still, but me understand what you say. Me I say, wonder if I change him change. God kill me so. You see how they ain't go buy the clothes them and something single like a Pringle. Don't blood clot at me. Go on over Vanny. Don't come over here, so. Vanny, go on with him. No boy come here, so come chat to me. I'm going to answer. Vanny, answer the message to him, Vanny. Vanny, answer him. I go check his message. Guys, me soon come back. Don't come off. No day you can't chat back to me. You idiot. Vanny, answer him. Tell Vanny if you answer him. Tell Vanny if you answer him. Tell Van if you answer him. Tell Van if you answer him. Tell Van if you answer him. Me soon come. Me the coffee front end off of the car. Whoa, ya jet so holiday for me and me camera, you know. What a jet so holiday. Yeah, I don't. That's why I didn't bust the song. It's a film viral moment that. Pull up in at the yeah. You know, he did same day a party last night and he did one bust the song. It's if it was already ready for
Aki walk out the door the whole night and people I run around the house and be something, you know, I feel that way, you know, because I say, no, oh God, man. I tell me, say, that I go on, I even for call me and say, B, what go on, oh, me not get you, and this I go on outside now, you know, and she not call me no time, but at 6 o'clock this morning, she sent me a message. I said, Ray.
I have first lie that you can't put two lies together make it make sense. Your lie then confusing, sir. Me if you wonder what we are talking about.
Cause don't lie me, you know, so I can't, but I don't lie me, I tell. So, oh, it I got, I don't know if I tell you, so can I lie me, I tell.
Yeah, no, I talk to Annie and the story sound more straight. Your one, so it's like, I feel the test, man, you know. It's like me, I wonder what happened. We don't know what happened.
I have no story. She have the whole life story there, Mary. I don't have no story, Vanny. But best believe it, say, me no got no party with no woman, I don't have no icky. And as she
wife, two guys, we see Nicky now.
Me dep on my live, I play song for the whole times. She me not play no match with nobody. Tony and send me request I'm a adder. Me in my feeling. Me and she we see each other on live as a vex from today. I'm there so for the whole day.
That's why you answer Tony.
Me play that. When Tony time accept Tony and they are chat, I'm stay so.
Because you're your woman vex, you accept Tony and for make she get upset because listen to me. You don't care when my man You don't care when my man wants TikTok police. You should accept her. I think that hurt her. You should accept Tony because guess what?
That you see can't hurt her, Vanny, listen, that cannot hurt her because right after I do that I three of them, me see on live, she, Tony and Jaden, I laugh, good. So you don't even know. Lie. Vanny, listen.
Talk from Annie. Tony and just this Annie a while ago. So all they laugh.
Vanny, listen with me. I was there. I was on the live. They were laughing together both until the two of them start this. Then one of them, I don't know why.
Today.
They on the live, bro. Just know. Me add Tony.
Oh, hold on. This come to the nitty-gritty now. This come to the nitty-gritty now. So Tony and Annie did on live. I laugh and you see that live. You see that live with them I laugh. So that's why you never take it no way. That's why you accept Tony and Kaya say
no.
So why you accept
me accept Tony first. You understand? After I accept Tony, we there so good.
What's the reason why you would accept her?
Hold on. Listen to me, I still Vanny when I talk. But they say play song. I'm not even in comment section. I'm not talking to nobody.
You Tony Annie plan this.
Hear me, I say she add me. When she add me, but then she start and say, oh, you look so sad and Ray. She talk about a thing and I look on her so. When I done play the match with she, I add back Annie. And the comment section I tell her, say, him there play Tony, so ask me. You say they play Tony and I say yes. They must, I don't remember if we play one match or what, but me and I disconnect. Bro, after that the people in my comment section kill me. I say, yo, fuck that, you should do that. I get restriction and I end the live. So I end the live, I see Tony and Jaden, I see. And Tony, when I go over the Tony and I say, smile, make them, like she said, smile, make them take we something. Then they good attack till them start this way one another. And before she jump off, the last thing she said was, Jaden, link me up over here, sir.
So
Then
why
that
you
was-
a Tonian then in the first place? So like how I never Tonian Annie them, like how I never them go live first, or you go live first and then them go live after. What was your reason to add them on the live first? Knowing say your woman and them the inner things. And you also in a things with her, 'cause remember with the audio with her and she class you and run off her life. So why what run through your head make
You know, it's a different list. Still, I tell you the truth. I can't have up people, you know. If I have you for 5 minutes that long, I can't have up people. And no matter, I don't know, I can't have up people. And that just me,
You
bro.
tell me, say me and my man engage, we engage about to get married. I'm see one girl called
People, one thing with me when it come to like TikTok and all the drama up on TikTok, me nobody bust my brain about it, you know. You see, me just have everything as prank. You see me I say? Because here Ivan you gonna say I know say look like say Tony and Annie them plan the cousin. You see me? Me just know say entertainment. Me entertained by it. You know what I mean? So me no try to dig deep and find out if a prank or not because too much story come sell. You know what I mean? So me no have no time for I bust my brain and try to figure out whether or not this or that. You see me? Let me know what you think.
down my man and class my man picnic them and end up class me too. And because me can't hold malice with people, me go start play back match with my man enemy. Wow. Well, but it could work with me or your partner that we you lay down in a bed with. Me not say if you walk and build enemy for yourself, but your partner that anybody on my partner deal can't deal with me because you know why? My partner the easiest thing to get to me. If a man want kill you, Annie the easiest person to get to because Annie Edley at night time. If a man want kill you, Annie the easiest body to get to. So anybody and Annie are enemy, me and them are enemy. Anybody and you are enemy supposed to be. But you know why it really
Yeah,
don't look like that? Because you, Tony, and Annie planned this thing. Because I was over there with Annie, and I realized Annie talking, and that's not the Annie women know what would have gone when you are nervous. It's a different. I be a small and your body a small. Well, I know. Yes,
Annie.
when I had Tony and on the live, remember Tony and say, you know, like Annie. And anytime Tony and say Annie, if first thing Tony and do I start class Annie. And when me sit down and I pre-back now, I remember say when me had Tony and Annie since night, Tony and was so calm. And even though Tony and calm and I talk and I listen to what me I say, Annie I talk like she want to work out things, but I be a laugh, Annie I laugh. Guys, you know go back in the memory now. Wanna see how Tony and did calm when me I tried constantly two of them and Annie just a smile and a talk. And then Tony and just give her fear cute look a speech and gone.
Bonnie, me and you come, me play a match with you almost every night. And a prank, I swear to God, and a prank. Just me I tell you, if you don't want to believe, you're good. But me I tell you, I swear to God, and a prank.
Alright. Me make this short, right? Me make this short. Couple days ago, Tony and the on her vice, Lord, upset, mad, sick, head no good, out fi chop up Annie. Annie the on fear alive, head sick no good, out fi put Tony and 6 feet deep, fi call up fear, put the name and her man name and her whatever. When I look now, Vanny get involved. Vanny go add Tony and Annie and then Vanny go add Tony and Annie and them tear it down. When you look Vanny go add Tony and with TikTok police and Tony and tear it down and this year and come off. And then all of a sudden now, you and Tony and start playing match. Just out the blue, nobody not cost nobody, just play a match. Then after you and her done play a match, there goes Annie and she a play a match. And they're just happily laughing like nothing have ever happened. And then now, all of a sudden now, Annie and TikTok police nobody there again and who jealous of who go do this, who go do that. And then me had Annie and Tony and it was the calmest day ever. till they split apart and gone. Talking to Annie about TikTok and police situation, and Annie don't ever seem upset, even when they said the car got thief. Annie just did a smile. And you know so calm and the things then.
Why would
I'm going to
somebody
TikTok. I am going to Hollywood. I'm going to email Tyler Perry and tell them there are some multi-talented people in Jamaica that
Why would
need
somebody say that though, Ivani?
to be in a show. I thought I think I was very,
Snipe chat.
and I think I had talent. But I'm telling you, Annie and Tony and put together beat the system. I'm telling you.
Barney, me tell you something, no prank, you know, remember me tell you, no, bro.
Let me ask you a question. Yesterday when Annie said you're gone a show. No, I'm not to ask you. Let me ask the people then. Guys, last night when Annie realized the TikTok police gonna party and something pan her hand, did Annie come live last night, come mention anything at all? Say TikTok police
Barney,
call her?
Barney.
Hold on, let me see. Hold on. Trust. Remember, you know, Annie have up TikTok police finna call her and say my van ban pan him and go party. And that them vex and whatever. And Annie say, a long time ago, people are warning her about TikTok one thief the car. I remember TikTok and Annie have argument one day and she never mentioned that the car was about to get stolen. So why now everything is being talking about since night? Knowing Annie should have bust it up last night in her feelings, say you got. I plan for true. Yeah, me going on the winnings, me going on the props. You catch me. Me not gonna say you almost. You catch me. But it take me a while to sit down and memorize and put 2 to 2 and say you catch me. Oh guys, you deserve a lion. Somebody send him one, send Tony and I'm gonna send anyone. Then deserve it. Deserve a lion or a Zeus. Show ring, Annie not that show ring, Annie take off a ring. When me ask Annie for your ring, Annie could have stretched for your ring same time show me say see ring. Annie not serious then. Cause if a man a give a bun plan for thief your car. Gone through the door and gone through garbage bag. And me ask I say Annie where is the ring? You take off show me your ring same way. Side arm. I'm not beat the system, you know.
18 hours chat.
We know the best to do it. I up a puppy in Chicago. Straight up the Chicago.
18 hours chat. 18 hours.
That's straight. And Aki walk him can't hold female and then go and tell we. Cause I look like female at Pan Spring. You go tell where it go. We just wait till Aki walk confirm. You see him a laugh? I see him.
I come with my laugh, a minute ago I wasn't laughing.
I tell Annie say, come at me go over TikTok police. She said no, she don't want to go. Cause she knows say seeing Amy two of them all laugh and then I want the two of them to laugh look away. So that's why she don't want to come. Cause she knows she can't keep up without laugh. Jaden do Annie was than oh you do Annie. I say I want me at Jaden since night and she say yeah man I did me if you want.
No, Lord, listen to that. Me I tell you say after everything she, Jaden and Tony and I play they on the same screen, bro.
So now that's why I know you Jaden and I too. You Jaden, Annie and Tony and Planet. All 4 around Planet. With Jaden. Boy with Jaden it just confirms your plan. Jaden soon come talk, you know. Jaden soon come talk. Me dey fuck Jaden 24 hours. Jaden soon come talk. Jaden soon come talk. Why?
Guys, we can't be in a Snapchat.
You have to know how to prank the people them. You can prank them, but you can't do serious prank. You need You need to prank the people them where the income always coming in. Not prank them to lose the income. Cause some pranks draw away people while some prank attract people. Know the difference? Do your research.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section because Ivani, I give him pointers to come prank the people them next time better. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Know the difference? Do your research. Some prank attract, some prank take away and distract. So you better do your research and see. Alright. That's all I can tell you. Yeah, I mean you can because it's not that serious. You can go play with her, you know. I mean, you caught me TikTok police. You caught me on that one.
Last thing I'm gonna say before I go Vanny, and a prank. Remember, so I tell you I'm a prank.
Alright. Later. Nothing at all can wrong for you have like your food.
Together.
Yeah, no. Right? But this is just boy I come talk about the best man me ever have. The best man me ever have. Blood clot stinking so cocky blood clot Jaden. Auntie sorry here. Blood clot so cocky lick body blood clot Jaden I come talk about the best man me ever have a blood clot Lando. I because I want to suck Lando hood. I better run this morning because I tell you say the whole of them will come down for me, but now back down. I mean, I look no family member to help me. I mean, I look no family, nobody for blood clot help me. You come talk about the only good man we did have a Lando. 11 years me there with Lando. You know the type of life when me did in a pussy? Eh? You know the type of life we did in a? I go talk about the only man me did have a good man and this Lando as me dirty man me take up. Yeah, you want a dirty friend them. You want a dirty friend them me go take up. I must suck your one suck Lando hood. Cause they this walk and look hood for suck on social media. You can't chat about blood clot people. Eh? Look a lick batted blood clot, stinking blood clot Jaden. Eh? You go talk about my pity that what me have. How much years me dey pan blood clot land? Me no suck hood. Me no suck blood clot hood. Me no dey with batty man to get things. Me no sacrifice nothing at all to get things. Your parents never did rich and you come here. And not every parents come for rich because them have to struggle with them blood clot pity drunk up. You can't blood clot come here and say come go on like you want disrespect blood clot people after me I tell you the truth. Eh? What heap of people know you in blood clot style? I wanna know that. What heap of people know in blood clot style? Me not go suck hood for blood clot by a car. Me not go lick no blood clot but if you do what me I do. And that me I tell you, anyway oh God give me techie. And every parents come here and rich. Many parents come here and struggle still in our market and send them picnic go to school and do what they can do. You understand me? I got to talk about 50 years of the land. Go suck your mother because no found a double in a demon. Wanna suck people energy for reach where now go. No found a sacrifice on a blood clot self dog shit dirty blood clot boy. Which woman stay around you? Which blood clot woman stay around you, Jaden? You beat blood clot woman like a dog. You're a woman abuser, you beat blood clot woman. Which woman blood clot stay around your body blood clot boy? Eh? The woman play your blood clot body with bumbo clot brush. Big D4 blood clot body man Jaden. Any life that's in my blood clot journey. Me take that with pride. Me no bad mind your blood clot body for nothing at all. Nothing what you have me no bad mind you. You use blood clot people to make yourself stay good. That's how your blood clot do something. You suck like a breeze. Other than look thinking maga boy over there. We have plans today, boy plans in our cover. This blood clot mother will struggle. Eh? You can't be some mother will keep them blood clot picnic.
Yes, it's not healthy, I'm not free.
They are coming to come talk about how much years
yes, we can't read, so I don't know if we can read the comment section.
6 people make care for land and make sure say them come out. Grow up. At least me have sense enough to care my blood clot pity them. And that me a blood clot tell you curse no blood clot, your woman even didn't want to look for you. Do your blood clot curse when you come out of your mama home. When you come out of your mama home, then you look your blood clot, mama want to find your body man. I ain't a garbage for them drop you drunk up. You come here to come blood clot style me. You can't style nobody, your mother did stay with you. Eh? Your mama will drop you off, you is a curse. As you come out of your mama pussy, your mother get rid of you like a garbage. Your mother sweep you away like a garbage.
No, me not eat from man.
And that me I tell you drunk up. Me turn up and struggle with my blood clot, pity them. And that my blood clot though. You think like a dog. You come here so one blood clot, use blood clot, woman.
Me people, me did have to drop this E-night, you know what I mean? Yeah man, this is from yesterday still, but me did have to drop E-night. So let me know what you think. I watch some more. We're going to move on to the next still, because this short, this very short, but me did have to drop in there. Here, Annie I deal with the lion man, and 2 toes, tomorrow them my friend again in our today, them good as turn back friend, you know. Watch and see.
And put on woman and degrade woman. I saw your blood clot stay. You want to use and degrade blood clot woman and drag blood clot woman. Eh? Everything you go on, everything where you stand for, eh? A body and suck pussy. You suck pussy like a blood clot dog. You come here, sir, come call up my blood clot name. Me I beg no friend from you drunk dog shit. Eh? Me a blood clot one back of you. Me a beg no blood clot friend from you. Eh? You talk about one but blood clot money. Come blood clot techie. And that you become blood clot though. Tell you that word blood clot to them. I'm gonna make them creep on and come blood clot for me 24/7. What one, Barney? Barney, you know say one of them a take a set from me. From blood clot Donkey Destiny, from blood clot Puffkin, blood clot Chanzi Debo. You understand me, Jaden? You understand me? So
figure this out. What's this, ladies and gentlemen? What's this in the red circle? What my only ear says a brown girl in the ring. Come here, girl, you there? What's this? Could someone explain this to me? What's this? Yeah? Oh shit, man, the phone go blank. The phone blanket. What is this? What is this? From me born until now, me hear there's a brown girl in the ring. Sha-la-la-la. Huh? People, I forgot to sit down and discuss this, you know. Because this is a chemical warfare. But I forgot to discuss this. Yeah, we have to look at animal favor ash weed. Oh, any face side is a favor ash so I know cute, you know. So, what is today's topic, class? Come let me see if we now learn. What is today's topic? Oh Lord Jesus, Jesus have mercy. Come here now, me never see that part here. Jesus. Then Annie and the key. We never see that part here. Look up on the part there. Then Annie and the key. Somebody help me with this now. The doctor on the program, the Indian Nana Chief. Somebody help me with this and Annie walk down people. Then Annie rat no way man. Then Annie rat no way. Somebody has said alopecia. Alopecia go with wingworm? My stomach sick. I know my chest plate weak, you know. I know my chest plate weak and you do them something. Oh, Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost. And you wicked too, we on the app, you know. We on the app not trouble, and you know. Well, on the people, me not done yet.
I don't know how I feel them type of way, yeah. But I feel like if I'm out for a month and take a mad vacation and come back in. I so I feel like those mad out for nobody.
The begging.
Yeah. Watch it. So me no must mad out. 1 month vacation worth of madness. I want up to me on this. Remember me tell you, 1 month becoming ill, I swear to God, I don't see that more why me just go so. And it just ring round and come back so.
I just see the ring
so
round.
1 month out of madness, 1 seal month.
You know, say, I didn't know what she
Not
had
more,
said.
not less.
I didn't know what she had said. I didn't watch Wally Papa play them though. I didn't know what she had said. I didn't know what she had said. I didn't say I ate just ring round. So I didn't know she had the ringworm. Come and play Annie again. Now what the Annie? Come Annie, we not done play yet. We now stop play Annie today. Yeah. Today the day we are play Annie, my love.
I don't feel like if I'm out for 1 month and come back. I don't know how I feel them type of
one thing me can't
I feel like if I'm out for a month and take a mad.
What me can't understand is how Annie line off the place with board. Me say Annie walk and put her French window upon the board. Annie outside her, you know. Me say all Annie they are talking about she go look for her neighbor where she beg put on meat. And me I look on all the French window upon the board and me I say to myself, say, you know, say Annie's a outsider girl. Annie outsider, you know. As the east is from the west. Annie rude, you know. Annie catch the French window upon the pitch pint. You know, say Annie outsider. Annie a waste people money, you know. It look like Annie now but keep the back to school treat and been hoping for a school bag, you know. Where's me going now upper 6? I was hoping for a school bag. Yeah. I was hoping for a school bag. I'm going to come address the people that were in the comment under my video. The one they were talking about saying if I leave the woman pick me alone. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as some of say someone had dog shit for the... What my baby? Some of say someone had dog shit for the app. You see picnic in the Annie? Annie bring food in the picnic. Everybody march out to Annie pan graduation. They appear adult Annie episode. Annie pick them a sock out for me in a blanket. So who not like when I say something?
Boy, my people. Hey, you know what say before me see that video, yeah, it's like me I wonder, cause me see one woman in a tall here yesterday, you know, man, a tall. Me don't know if a Brazilian or whatever, but me see a woman in a tall here yesterday, and it just kind of flashing in my mind like, why the woman them like don't embrace like them natural ear? You see me I say, why them not do that? Because most of them what you see put the chemical in them ear and straighten it out and put on the glue down wig on them something there. Most of the time them can't show them real head, you know. Me not say them ear, you know, them head because most of the time the whole eye side peel off and the front peel off because the glue near out the whole of them real ear. So them have to live in the wig. And some of them look so nice. You see me I say? In them natural ear or them real ear. You know what I mean? And them just peel out them inside just for put on the European ear. You know what I mean? Or for try to tap in at the European, you know what I mean, look. Because that is like women strive for. Most of them don't want, you know what I mean, stay in them natural element. You see me, although everybody want to fix up themselves still, but me know what I think with people.
say it again. Them are so cocky from blanket days. For them nipple did make out a wood. Outer body for them nipple did make. Outer body. Oh. And you come and tell me about say, you know, leave the kids. And you don't have no kids. I pay a big woman. And you and them depend on a cocky race. You know, say a body marathon. And you and them are play live it up and old. I say anywhere where Anya sleep, one sweep. Anywhere Anya reside, edit, one sweep. Wouldn't see the whole heap of old living on Anya inside like a bad man face. Come like the whole under the whole heap of old living on Anya inside. Like shoot out did that happen in the Anya. The whole of Anya inside favor range. Then nobody never talk about how not mistake it for wingworm. Eh? Right, you know, I want to file for Anna, she have no birth paper. I want to file for the bitch, you know. I want Wilbert growing in snow. I don't know how I feel so charitable. I say right, you know, I sit down and I consider, you know, who me can boss, who me can get a trip. I know say Anna come up in my heart. And when I call down, they didn't have no birth paper, not one of them. Not one of them have birth paper. Every time and if you go pull out a teacher, I go to the dentist, I go ask for a certificate. Every time I pressurize to take the order out. I'm out, I tell them, say, we're not borrowing some things, they see it hard to let go. Only be never say, any inside, it has sick my stomach, only be, me can't too show it again. God no, me want to show it and me can't wait till my stomach calm down. I want a hot cup of soup. I could have chicken foot with a toenail lamp on it. Me that take it right and after looking at Annie head. Yeah. Me can't Anna did have to run away because of that something there. And it banning at them. At them generational garments. Yeah. When Annie now get a satisfaction, Annie can't bother with the holiness. Annie broke out. And he broke out, you should not get no satisfaction, came real. And he broke out, see there? The same and this time last week where I cried about I picked them and how people are bullying our area.
I don't feel like I'm out for 1 month and come back. I don't know how I feel them time.
All of this with them up on the app in about she and Jaden, let me tell you now. Anisha them want upstage.
Oh yeah.
But we still have more Nisha's that.
But I feel like I'm out for a month and take a mad vacation.
Let me know understand now which part Annie League makes so much zinc on about this. So what
I saw me feel like just mad out and nobody. Yeah. Watch there. So me no must mad.
And they pin them and run up and down like young puppy.
I don't know how I feel them type of way, yeah. But I feel like I'm mad out for.
At this moment show now. Somebody explain behind Annie Femina. Then the woman this will work collect money. Somebody explain behind here so. Oh, Annie backyard full of one guest house so. I was so much guest house I do on Annie backyard. Somebody explain around here so. Zinc follow the lady you know, we don't have board of zinc. The lady a blessing in every direction. But once somebody explain. You see it? Get left side. Get left side, favor left side. Watch out. Annie at the key. Annie at the key. And Annie a worker class people. And Annie holding a vino clit. Eh? Yeah. But not lie. Annie make all my skin a scratch me. And let him some police eat from. Eh? Hey Latin, move and go. Move and go, Latin. Go! I say when Martin send this, come give me people. My little stomach give away. When Martin send it, come give me. No, sir. And you come like she there wear people here. Yeah, you know, they wear people's shoes and socks and gear chigga. And you come like she there wear people here. Yeah, Jaden turned down. Jaden can't gonna win a life. Jaden can't gonna win a life again. Jaden turned right down. Oh, me say when Martin sent this, come give me. First thing that people, Martin said so. I saw him send me the picture first. So him send me the picture. Him send me this. So me I look on it and me I say ratted. And if you say asshole, you know that me I say nah, if you say asshole. And then now Martin said to me say, zoom it up and look and tell me what that, because you always a diagnose people. You know. So zoom it up and tell me what. So Martin says zoom it up and tell me about them dirty mosquito and then to me dash for the fan in a move on a circle. Move mosquito. On a move. And I'm gonna go in the house and because I can't get a pipe on a half. Move. I pay a clap, me a clap at night time like a convention. Yeah. Martin says zoom it up. So when me zoom it up now, at this me get Lord Jesus. It's a gunman face this, you know. It's a gunman face this and it have gunman face, watch it. This coming like one piece of land. You ever in a plane yet and look down like the marsh? You know like the marsh them? Yeah. And yeah, right the leave way, you know. Yeah. And yeah, right now we leave way. Lati said this need medication. We woman put me them have yeast infection with that canistin. That need canistin. Hans name that. Thank you for the F1 them people. Well, we can say we have a sister on the app named Annie, and Annie just don't care. Fungus a eat with Annie. Fungus a eat with Annie from Annie mouth to her head side to her hole a rotten. Annie a get lick, you know. Annie a get lick. And I come and talk about our orange pity them, and I pity them come right back on the net. Remember the internet feed them. Not where Annie and Jaden are trying me now buy. Jaden can't this Annie for Annie feel it, and Annie can't this Jaden for Jaden feel it. Jaden have to get more serious now because normally, and you always did serious, Jaden would not argue with Annie. Jaden would never be arguing with Annie. This those serious. Jaden could have never trick us. Oh, as some know there's hope of she and Annie talking. All she say, just the internet soon give she where she look for man. Wait, I want she call me.
Some people we just go watch a bit more and then we move on because she bad I go on for say like the whole passa between Annie, the lion man and everybody them, you know what I mean, is like them a try to take away the spotlight from Rosalie and who else have the spotlight? Me no remember. Somebody else him say, you see me. So let me know what I think. Me just have to make that part they play out and then we move on to the next.
Yeah. Yeah. No, but Jaden not get nomad. Jaden don't get nomad. Him not get nomad. Nothing no go like what them a say. And them two they want to take over back the app. Yeah, them two they want to take back the app. Me nah ask you now. Remember say Nisha front runner Rosalie and Kim the fellow there. You know say and them above the app. You get what me I say? So all this is Jaden. Remember nothing now. Jaden I talk about? Answer the question. Jaden I talk about? Answer this question. Is Jaden I talk about? Eh? Auntie Daphne want me. I'm not going to Jaden I talk about. You can't answer the question so I don't understand. Nah mention, everybody want mention. Right, you know, Redance hotter than Jaden. You're a 10 out of 10, girl. Yeah. Right, you know, me not ask, you know. I'm not asking. Yeah. No, but Lati, it come like a plan for do a tribute to Trish. Every day you come from a program, you ask about Trish. You know, say Lati FBI. Trish na bada dead. Trish na bada dead. How much time you tell me say Trish na dead? What the problem now? Trish want come out and can't come out. Lord, Trish prisoner own herself. Angel hell prison Trish. Angel hell prison Trish. I kill on or not. Angel make Trish can't come out. Wanna take this thing too serious and know it about it now. Cause anytime Trish come out, somebody will get rid of that, you know. Yeah man, anytime Trish come out, somebody will get rid of Kevin. Me not ask you know. No money no did it, no money never did I go. No money never did I go. No money. Them supposed to hate me. Cause me stand up in them way, my love. I mean, stand up in them way and them supposed to hate me. This a purple.
You oughta with a blood clot do you feel like fucking do. And now, that's me there, so now, I do this. You get your hard type of this and hard type of blood clot. It's crazy. I'm gonna tell them over 365 days of the blood clot year. And you put out your woman to do certain blood clot thing. And blood clot for Gmail ask what keep. It's a simple question. Would I be a great father to your kids? I said yes. What wrong with blood clot that? Shana said no, you wouldn't be a great father. That make blood clot sense? You come in and dig out the wall of my pussy clot foot. Then later on you want fuck. Later when you come in, when you do all of this, now later on you want fuck and then we just fuck and then you just feel like say that is okay. But tell me all of them say fuck not soft nothing, you know. My blood clot you'd be a great fan, that's it. 95% of the man and mother would be a great fan until you stop maintaining a blood clot, kids. Simple. What the fuck me say wrong? For ask Akim to buy 2 back and I go to the road? I was there me yard. Now when I look later, you know you want blood clot pussy. So the come.
Hey, my people, GX must have sing the Jack you'll never find no one in this lifetime. But as me say my people, me always I say this in my video them when it come to GX and Rosalie. Say Rosalie I go find herself one of these days and GX I go sorry. That's what me I say. So a reality I like GX you know. You see what I say? But me don't feel like say Rosalie I go left him still. Me just feel like say Rosalie did one, you know what I mean, keep him in check, make him realize what him have and say, yo, him can lose it so me if he step up. You know what I mean? Make me know what to think. Make me watch some more.
This man and grab my throat like you want to analyze me. Squeeze up my mouth, so. Then dig out the whole of my foot, no knee cup now. Later you come in the one blood clot for come for the skin out and gear. I just feel like I'm gonna feel happy. When you do this, you feel like I'm gonna feel happy with you. I'm gonna feel nice, I'm gonna feel good. I do it over and over and over and over. You're missing the point. Me and somebody say what last night me upon the FYP and a blood clot. They upon the FYP and them say when I buy a man blood clot shoes, man left walk out the life. Me don't know him can walk out a blood clot. I must say open me to pussy blood clot make. I don't even come in this man, oh me a left, me a dead. So me know it. I've been saying this. And me gotta be honest to TikTok. There are certain things I don't know. I don't know certain things. Chat. I don't know certain things, but I guess doing this on the net with Akeem open me eye, just open one part of me eye with the total lock. Cause my eye has been closed for years. So this just open one part of my fucking eye if you just make me know say this man don't care about your feelings, Rose. He only care about his. Our people are gonna say, oh, you always a style me upon the net, and I'm not style upon the net. I'm not talking about how I feel, because I can't tell it verbally. Because when I tell it verbally, you twist and you turn them and look at me as an idiot. Every time I talk to you, I look at me as an idiot. Each time I talk to you, you look like me not talk with no sense. So you jokify out my feelings, and then when it comes to you, I'm supposed to be somebody that's gonna say, okay then, boy, I'm on the internet with Akeem, you know, and you know, he will ask me certain questions and me will answer whatever I wonder how him feel. I see how I feel. So me attack is I feel guilty. But if me stop this, trust me, tomorrow morning you go back to your old ways, you go fucking on my eye, and me I look me can't see it, cause in my blood clot eye. Then say this boy I take me for blood clot papi show. The worst says fuck you could ever put on in a real life when I fucking have somebody blood clot eye. So all them a look them can't see cause all them cannot see cause them fucking eye. Am I insecure? I gone Palm Beach, blood clot trip me and the kids them car. At the end of the blood clot day, the trip idea wasn't even about fucking me. The trip idea wasn't about me. The trip idea wasn't that fucking about me. Nah, blood clot TikTok. All of who did want know and did want know and did want in a lippings. The trip idea wasn't about me or blood clot TikTok. The trip idea was about my kids them. Shanta kill me for Garden Beach. Barbara him come. Mom, can we go on the beach on the 12th? So I said to him, which day is the 12th? Him say, 10 days from now. So I said, watch ya. What a way you count down the 12th? 10 days from now. So I said, okay then. Like how you well want go, I mean, I must get the blood clot time. I ask him have a ride. Me go ask him. So I said, Akeem, can you take me and the kids to the beach? It was all about them. It wasn't about me. They wanted to go so badly. Cause for my summer come, them not gonna try. I mean, for my summer come, me not gonna want go beach. I mean, oxen where. I'm so okay then. She want go so much. She asked more 500 million teen time. Me I was a put it off. When she time to ask me, she send bar. Go and ask mama when we are go beach. Every minute, mom, me know what she send him. So I say, alright then. Me ask Akeem. Cause him good know if we drive go. And we went. And the same night, the whole got blood clot beach. Me have somebody that call on my blood clot phone. And I want them to say, me know so the same night when they are beach. Johnny girl run the blood clot road, face to face in a canvas blood clot session. And your blood clot keep and I say how much is a lie and nothing a blood clot go so. What the fuck you want me for blood clot though? Eh? When me there say I play wife material, yeah, play top man error. Cause I got come on my blood clot, yeah. So the fuck people keep and can cancel at them say them a blood clot say with that. You know what me want? Me want them talk say you are take my things on me beg pan ya and gear. I say, oh fuck, you think you ask me left? That's why me I put it on P0LICE. Come want a slight idea. Say, yeah, take my things and get so quick you go through the blood clot door. And me left you in here. Because you're sneaking bad. A long time ever know my that your blood clot for your delete blood and they must call me you call blood clot log.
Yo, Jano Star. Yo, you see, me telling you something, my people. You see, when a woman get enough and stand up for herself, yo, one of the worst things for your man, you know. You see me? Because some of the time you don't even realize, say, boy, you love that woman there until she ready to go through the door. So, me don't know what Jakes I forgot to do still, you know, but him need to do something.
I had big case and delete every blood clot thing. One night, me and him lie down and so, and him dey on TikTok I text somebody, I see the message coming. When I look at him swipe it out. And Facebook, much just start text. So you feel like say me I eat that, you know must text on WhatsApp. You can't text on Facebook and TikTok. Me don't want nobody care a blood clot and Mary come suck out my blood clot hole. And come off a blood clot this. Come in and go stop play with Akeem and stop going with Akeem for fit your Christ blood clot area. I know what that you want. You want me feel guilty. So when I feel guilty now, you can say, alright then, you chop her same because that you know, you chop woman with guilt. So when them feel guilty, so you chop her same way. You can't, once you stop do that now, you can't continue the way you do. You never blood clot stop. So why the fuck everybody a whole argument with you? Them for whole argument with you? Them for ask you what you do me or reach after. Why? You don't understand? All of what people go see and ask them the first question they ask you, what your bumble pussy blood clot do for you not reach the saw? Come always get 100% like I'm a Gemini. I'm a fight for people. Nobody not fight for me, so the fuck? Hey, you don't go on here, man. Someone of this blood clot. I'm gonna stop chatting people for people. Me choose a side. You gotta pick side. Me no want to argue with them, I gotta pick a side. So me just not argue, me just leave and just pick my side. Me loyal. Me know the people that have access say, what you really do are? Fishy. What open the door for she can dip on live with Akeem? It have to be a door open. Nobody not question that, me not think nobody not ask that. Me oh, she over here. And she live in a house with her man. And she on a chat on a lip, on a chat off on a suck good mouth, on lick out on a batty mouth on a chat. I never hear none of the blood clot say. What is the real reason make Rosalie over here with Aki. Water, it has to be a reason. Eh? Me over here blood clot ball and the things them. And I never blood clot you come and hug me up and say, oh my baby, I'm sorry and boy. You know, so me that text her for true and probably me not put on a 1 or 2 look of fuck and it happened already and still I forgive me. Want to the truth. Because if it was me, I would have said, you know, say boy, it happened already and that's the truth. Me have a slung and tell my man when me there for 12 years the blood. If me in a fiend position, me have a slung and tell my man the truth when me there for 12 years. I said me can't fix things, and you not try to fix things. You know, tell me say, oh, I want girl who meet at KFC and she give me a number, me and her over here flirt. Like, me look at me a mascot. Like, me look at me a mascot. Who asks the number first? You can't answer. Like, me look at me as a mascot. So you still have that. You tell me, say, my brain a peanut, and I'm going to tell you, say, girls are acorn now. Because more what I do and say the things that I don't even pay no blood clot, man. You know, say, analyze I don't take blood clot, or you lie, wicked and pussy clot evil. Oh, you meet girl like KFC and girl get number and the 500 beg girl like me look at me, like me look like you can sell me that story, me just buy it like me's a fucking mascot. When I know exactly what I'm dealing with. So they look at something so we make over here doing Akim. You're dying for me to Akim. Move your blood clot and go when I left my man and block him. And delete him. So you can say, yeah. Have her head away if you can continue to do your blood clot though. And that you want. But you're not gonna get that no blood clot more because I choose me and me only. Yeah. And at some point I have to choose myself. I can't choose because someone no big pussy girl, no nothing, you know. No don't sleep. At some point I gotta choose my blood clot self and myself alone. So all that who ask question, I'm tell you, ask him do me. What open that blood clot door? Something have opened one blood clot door where lock. The door where blood clot like you take a look at time and pull it with the key and say go and treat galley. Because me and Akim gone on date with your pitney them. To make your put them enjoy, feed them blood clots everywhere there, each up in a corner with girl. People can call them before them so them say with you don't respect me, I call me there. Like I want to keep attached. How long me I come, how far me there. You want to keep a leech.
And if you come down man and it's a disgrace man. Make I don't even you lose. I don't think she wants none of her kids better than her, and that's how me see it. I mean, I'll say it. And miss, that's how I see it too. Because if you didn't, hold on the guys. I want to hear this. Just stick up in there, cause me know me not dead. What as me say one. My ears now work good because you know the little tube there behind the ear canal. Me know water. No, it never work because no, it's behind the eardrum. So I forgot, doctor. I have an appointment to go sort it out. I forgot message and tell you what that is all about. But more want to listen to this since for me ears not clean out. Hold on a little bit there guys. When I see her face there, her face not her. See her? Make her don't even you lose her innocent yet. Make her boy innocent blood clot girl. You think start now and you start pushing on the battery one to blood. You have to push me and run off like that and say, yo, away God. I'm like, brother, what you do? How you do? See you put them up battery yo. I'm like, yo. I'm up to say sorry. It's like I was in the mood so I was just like I need to come over right side. Come here. The words, this is just how I leave up in the position. And taking time to clean it back and feel it and so start back up. Have you ever been down back up? I get back up. I push it back up. I was like, see, now go in. It's not going to go out. know, you see how that woman is wicked? Now, first of all, she made it seem as though she made it seem as though her daughter is this innocent little girl, and Jaden a draw the little girl name, or Jaden a bring private information over. Also, the other part of it is, she has said we misinterpret what we heard. There is no misinterpretation in that. We hear what the little girl say. I am not a deaf person. My ears not work 100, but I'm not deaf, brother. Me hear what she said. She said.
Alright, my people. I want to tell more what I think, because you see, when we notice on the internet, like, you see the people, them are going to pick up for them favorite. Not if them wrong, or them no business if them wrong. Them are going to find a way to make it look like, say, them right. You know what I mean? And people who are not them favorite, no matter if they're right, them are going to try, you know what I mean, to make them look like, say, boy, them wrong. I saw me see it. But let me know what I think. I'll watch a bit more and then me I go end it.
That the man push up whatever in her rear. That is what the little girl just said. She said that. So why she make it look like, alright, if Jaden said him sleep with her in the back of him car. If he said that, let's say Jaden said that, and what you just heard from that little girl's mouth a while ago, which one worse? Which one worse?
The one that coming from her mouth.
Exactly. And you see the video with Jaden, and if you did over here, Kenny, when I was showing. Thank you, Keith. Thank you.
Yeah, I am your
what Jaden said to her, Annie, I know me say it to the internet. As she come tell it to the internet, and I make it look like say the girl. I miss you too, honey. Later this week, once you're live, I'll be there. I promise. Yeah. So now, this woman I make it look like say we're stupid. Are we stupid over here or what? Because your daughter over our mouth and say all these things. You want to blame Jaden that Jaden are carrying news to who? He's not carrying no news. We don't have no secret. We don't have no secret. We don't bring out to the business. Nobody asks on either. Or we try to tell them to come down after the internet. We tell them to come out. And every day on the day, yeah.
Look how comfortable she was in that video. If you I think the government comfortable in that video? I think the government need to move into Annie, because Annie is destroying these kids' life over the internet.
Yes, she is.
Yes, the government need to move into Annie. Annie is destroying these girls' life. No man not going to look up to these young girls later on from this, because they're going to say that she's just like her mom. She done ruin them already, The chances that she did have when she young, she done ruin them for her pitting them, If you want
everybody has said she.
Hold on, 1 second, guys, one at a time. Who's talking?
Me.
Shayoni.
Everybody has said Annie percent Zoe go school, but Annie gives Zoe 1 year break about mental health. When Zoe go back to school, right? And Zoe them done so ignorant already when them attack on life. Remember, if your next school take care, you have to go do an exam or one test. How it go work? Because they're going to put back Zoe right at the grade. Because kill Annie dead, so when she put her at school, she going to go the next grade at the grade where she there in the last time when she there at school, at the grade they're going to put her back because Zoe now have no little education, the whole family of them. And then she come on live and she cuss and she go on and she know where happening in her household, but she now put little girl on live back until 16. The next day she and the little girl that on live again a custodian. Them for go on, them all slack.
You're right. Thanks for bringing up the Tonian part, because Missy Tonian over there cuss her and she go up and a cuss and the pick them that she draw in a video. See, hey, it's when we mute the video and watch a video, them look like some Lego beast, No, but Kenya, hold on, I'm reason with Kenya a little bit in our commenter. Kenya, let me tell you this. First of all, I first in a month me click my live. And the first in a month me click my live. That's the one thing. Second thing, I need up on the internet for the whole week. I argue with everybody and I make problem. You see Jaden, She terrorized the little boy. Jaden a hold him mouth, him sit down pan him tongue for weeks now. And we sat up and he push Jaden till Jaden
She called Jaden name.
She will leave the man alone.
And then
But
she
let me
started.
tell you what's back, man. I drop her rating, I drop because she said everybody tired of her now, so she want, when she argue with Jaden, she stay relevant. Jaden, if you don't know, answer her and not deal with her right now. Jaden, if you don't stop deal with her and argue with her.
And if you know,
hello, Kenya, come up, hold on, Kenya, come tell me how Jaden wrong. Come tell me how Jaden wrong. Kenya, you want you come tell me how Jaden wrong.
What's Jaden can't wrong? Because my grandmother always tell me, you rub butter, put smoke, them I go lick it off. I'm a man.
Alright, listen to me now. So, Kenny, give me a second there. Give me a second there. What the person name? Fanea or whatever. You said Jaden cussed out his girlfriend. He's disrespectful little boy and was wrong for sleeping with the girl. Hello, the man have cocky. You understand what I say? And when man get front, them go and take it. You as a woman should have never sell out a little girl to him. And also, as a mother, we see ex-girlfriend panty, ex-girlfriend panty, on internet, right? Ex-girlfriend panty gets sent to TikTok lion on internet. You also see another ex-girlfriend reach over radam.com.
So the people no see what me I try show no? People are gonna make excuse for them favorite. You know what I mean? Them are gonna blame the person where them favorite do the wrongs. Them not gonna blame them favorite. You shoulda know. You shoulda this, you shoulda that. You see what I say? So we'll watch a bit more with people and then we're gonna end it.